Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Education for Aspirants. Today I am going to discuss the concept of Dijkstra algorithm. The Dijkstra algorithm is otherwise known as single source shortest path. So what is the meaning of single source shortest path? In a graph G, the single source shortest path will help you to find out the minimum distance in between the source node to any other node inside the graph. So to find out the minimum distance in between two nodes inside the Dijkstra algorithm, we are using a concept that is called as relaxation process. So let's move to discuss what is relaxation process. Generally, the relaxation method will define what is the cost it will take to reach at the destination node from a source node. So to find out the cost of the destination node, it will use the cost of source node as well as the cost of the edge connected in between these two nodes. For example, let you want to move from A to B. So if you will move from A to B, here your source node will A and destination is B. And source node we can represent it as U and destination node we can represent it as V. So you want to move from U to V. Clear? So when you are moving from U to V, the cost of the destination node V you can calculate by adding the cost of source node plus the cost of the edge which is connected in between these two nodes U and V. Hence mathematically the relaxation process is represented as if D of U plus W of UV less than D of V, then D of V is equals to D of U plus W of UV. D of U means your cost of the source node. D of V means the cost of the destination node. W of UV represents the cost of edge. Clear? So when you are calculating the cost of the destination node, then it is saying that if the cost of the source node plus the cost of the edge is less from the destination cost, then at that time you need to update to the destination cost with the sum of source cost plus edge cost. So let's see here, the cost of A equals to 0 and the cost of the edge is 15. So 0 plus 15, that is 15, right? So 15 is less from 30. Means what you need to do? You need to update the cost of V from 30 to 15. Clear? Similarly, in the second example, in between these two nodes A and B, the cost of A equal to 5 and the cost of B equals to 10 and the edge cost given as 15. So if you apply the relaxation process on A and B edge, then you will get 5 plus 15 that equals to 20, which is greater from 10. Means the new cost of B is greater from its existing cost. Hence the new cost value will be remain same here and it is 10. That is all about your relaxation process. Now we'll move to discuss the Dijkstra algorithm by applying the relaxation process on each and every node present inside the graph G. So let's move. Here a directed graph is given and we need to find out what is the minimum cost to reach at every node from a particular node. So let's consider the source node here is A. Though we will start the processing from A, hence the cost of A will become 0, right? And from A, we will move to any other node, right? B, C, D, E. So we don't know to reach at other nodes from the source node, what is the cost? Hence, we will assume that the cost will be infinity. Clear? So we will take the cost of other nodes as infinity. But after applying relaxation process, if we will get a smaller cost value for a particular node, then we will update the cost of that particular node with the current minimum cost value. Okay? Let's move. First, we will start from the A. So what are the reachable nodes from A? The reachable nodes from A are B, C and E. Clear? So that's why we will apply relaxation on these three edges to find the minimum cost of the reachable nodes. Clear? First we will apply relaxation on AB. So RAB equals to cost of A, that is 0, plus AB edge cost, that is 5. So 0 plus 5, 5, which is less from infinity. Though it is less from infinity, hence the cost of the destination node, that is B, will update from infinity to 5. In the same way, we will find out the minimum cost of C to reach from A. So for this, we will apply relaxation on the edge AC. Here the cost of A equals to 0 plus the edge cost is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 is less than from infinity. Hence we need to update the cost of C from infinity to 4. In the same manner, we will calculate the cost of E. So to find the cost of E, apply relaxation on the edge AE. So here the cost of A equals to 0 and the AE edge cost is 3. 0 plus 3, that is 3, which is less than from infinity. Means here the new cost of E is less from its existing cost. Hence we need to update the existing cost of E from infinity to 3. Now from the 3 reachable nodes, we need to choose the minimum cost node from which we will process in the next step. So to find out that node, here our reachable nodes are B, C and E. From these three nodes B, C, E, which one is the minimum cost node? E is the minimum cost node. So here we have visited A, means we will mark A. Then next we will choose the E for our next visit. So now we will mark to E for our next visit. Clear? Now from E you find the reachable nodes. If you observe here in the graph, there is no reachable node from E. Hence, so we cannot move to any other node from E. Clear? That's why we need to choose here another node in between B and C for our next processing. So in between B and C, the minimum cost node is C. Hence, we will choose C for our next processing. So let's consider C. So first find the reachable nodes from C. The reachable nodes from C are B and D, right? So apply relaxation on these two edges CB and CD to find the cost of B and D. So first apply on CB. RCB equals to cost of C is 4 plus the cost of the CB edge, that is 7, right? 4 plus 7, that is 11, which is greater than 5. What is 5? The existing cost of B. So here the new cost of B is more from its existing cost. Hence, we should not update the cost of B here and we will keep the cost of B as 5 only. Then we will apply relaxation on CD edge. Cost of C here as 4. Then the CD edge cost is 2. 4 plus 2, that equal to 6. 6 is less than from infinity. Means the existing cost of D is more from the new cost of D. Hence, we need to update the cost of D from infinity to 6. Clear? Now from these two nodes B and D, we will choose the minimum cost node for our next processing. So here B cost is 5 and D cost is 6. What is the minimum cost node? B. That's why we will choose B for our next processing. Clear? Next, to process further, we need to find out the reachable nodes from B. So what are the reachable nodes from B here? Only one node, that is D. Clear? So apply a relaxation on the BD edge to find out the cost of D. Clear? So RBD equals to cost of B, that is 5, plus the BD edge cost, that is 8. 5 plus 8, 13, which is greater than 6. What is 6? The existing cost of D. Means here after applying relaxation, the new cost of D becomes 13, which is more from the existing cost. We should not update the existing cost of D here and we will keep the D cost as 6 only. Clear? Now from B we move to D. Now so see here, from D we can move only to E, but already E has visited and E has its update cost. If you apply relaxation on D to E, then the cost of E will not change. Okay, we will apply relaxation and we will see whether it is changing or not. So let's apply relaxation on DE edge. So here cost of D equals to 6 plus DE edge cost is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 is greater from 3. 3 is the existing cost of E. So here the existing cost of E is less from its new cost. Hence the cost of E will not change. It will hold the cost as 3 only. Okay. Now D has also visited. Now if you see inside the graph, all the nodes are having some weight and these weights are represented as the minimum cost weight to reach at that particular node from the source node A. Clear? So now we will find out what are the minimum cost at a particular node from the source node A. So AB edge cost is 5. Means from A to reach B, the minimum cost is 5. Similarly, AC cost is 4. AD cost is 6. AE cost is 3. Okay, so these cost values are represented as to reach at the destination node from the source node A, These are the minimum value. I hope everybody understood. In this lecture, I discussed the concept of Dijkstra algorithm with an example to find the shortest distance to any node from the source node in a graph G. Hope everybody you understood it. Still, if you have any doubt on it or any other question, please write it in the comment section so that I will provide solution on it for you. So with this, I will stop here. Thank you.